welcome back to my channel. This is from the editing side of me. I'm filming this because I didn't take any intro nor outro for this video, and today is 15th of Feb, which is supposed to be going today. The video is supposed to go live today, but I couldn't. So if I am able to upload it within tonight, I will, or else it will go on Monday. Sorry for that. And so in today's video, it's gonna be in that, yeah, so in the video it is all about Rameshwaram. I've visited Rameshwaram, so it's gonna be a Rameshwaram vlog, but not only Rameshwaram. I've visited many temples in it. The first place was damn, I forgot. Trust me, I don't remember the names. First place we visited was Meenakshi temple, and then Rameshwaram. And Rameshwaram, we went to the last point of it. I really don't know what to call that there. And then from there we went to Tiruchandur, which is Kartikeya's maybe fourth, I don't know, like temple. So yeah, so that was the whole entire vlog. So I hope you enjoy that video. Go ahead and you'll see the video now. भाई क्या है ये? I didn't know. कुटाला है हमें? मदुरई कौन सी देवर? बोलना. मीनाक्षी टेम्पल. This was planned कि हम next day जाएंगे, like day before yesterday. But look at us going, and I'm wearing western, so I have to wear a shawl now. It's so annoying, but जो भी है, मुंह नहीं धोया है, कुछ भी नहीं, but चलो. इतना दूर आया और ये देखने के लिए एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया. But इधर से फिल्म कर सकते हैं. वी आर अलाउड टू फिल्म नहीं ना, लॉकर में डालना है. स्टोरी काय आहे हे देवळाचा?
एक राजा होता त्या लेकरन होता त्यानं यज्ञ करला मनकाला टेम्पल गलवलं यज्ञ करला ते यज्ञात एक पोरगी होती आली त्या पोरगीला 3 ब्रेस्ट होतं.
Okay, so that three breast one, only when Shiva marries her, the one middle one goes na. Okay. ते देवल है. I mean भाई सामने से बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही प्यारा है, बहुत ही बड़ा है, बट नो जब सोशल एंजाइटी तेरे बाहर आ रहा है. दर्शन अभी हुआ है गाइस. I mean I know I look completely different, but it's 7:27 up. Now we have to leave for Rameshwaram, and I swear to God, अगर मुझे डाइट कोक नहीं मिला ना वहाँ पर भी, मेरा दिमाग फटने वाला है. कोक भी नहीं है, डाइट कोक भी नहीं है. भाई क्या चल रहा है? क्यों डाइट कोक नहीं है? What's the time? It's 4:46. And we're gonna go get ready, take a bath, and there is around 21 wells plus the sea, ना? sea से पानी पण आतो ना? दर्या डुबकोन. Then 20, I don't know. So it's gonna be like sea water first, Dunkin sea water, and then maybe उसके बाद 21 wells है वहाँ पर. वो उसका स्टोरी मुझे नहीं पता है, और जो भी है वहाँ पर नहा के, like just dunk होके, change, and then see the temple, I guess. So yeah, I don't. मुझे नहीं पता है, यहाँ का लाइटिंग नहीं आ रहा है, तो sorry. So I just took a shower and इस आउटफिट पे आ गई हूँ. This was sister दीदी के एंगेजमेंट में जो हल्दी में जो पहना था वो है. उस वीडियो में मस्त दिख रहा था. अब उसका वो फेड होके, you know, it's अभी for now we're gonna go for like 7 o'clock it is, so we're gonna go Dunkin, like पानी सब नहाने वाला है, तो बाल गए मेरे बाल. अब I'll be like a joker around, but luckily I have a crunch, so just just वो खोला I just do something like this. So हो गया, मैं तैयार हूँ ऑलमोस्ट. स्किन केयर के लिए तो आई थिंक वंस वी कम फ्रॉम द डंकिंग वी विल डू स्किन केयर. But for now, this is the outfit. Let's see. I'll catch you guys there. Our hotel is really near to the beach. तो मुझे सनराइज देखना है. सनराइज तो हो ही गया है गाइस, कुछ यूज़ नहीं है. But the view is spectacular. Like damn. There are boats all over the place. I think we can go down. Yeah, we can go down. Shall we? Chalo. We'll catch. Look. I mean, look at this. इतना waves नहीं है जितना है, but there is waves. It's not like no waves. I mean, what am I talking? Look, I don't know why am I saying cute. Everybody. Okay. What is she doing? I don't know. What are you trying to do? घाल मला पण. Thank you. Oh my god. तो हो गई, but I ended up fucking up. We have to go to the north gate and तो बावड़ी का जो भी है उस पानी के लिए नॉर्थ गेट जाना है. एंड डुबकी मार के चेंज करके I'm gonna get a bandage for this because it's burning. So it's going to be like that. It's 9:41. बाल ऐसे ही होने वाला है मेरे, ऐसे ही रहेंगे. Like I'm sure about it. It's gonna be so fucked up. Oh my god. Clip. Best option. Or else लाया इसलिए. Right now I'm just gonna do my skincare. Don't know how am I gonna. वो जाएगा. Washroom. I'm using the niacinamide 3% toner. It's hands down the best. So हाँ बुक बच्चे म्हणून करना बबा. Bindi. I'm trying my best to not ruin the bindi, but it will ruin.
चालू आहे बघ, ते चालू करून आलात तुम्ही चालू केलं, मी बंद केलं तर परत चालू.
आता खटले आणते लाईट जावा
पण लाईट लागलं.
This is the outfit. Just वॉच डन. नापी के लिए उस पैर पे बैंडेज डालना इम्पोर्टेंट है मेरे लिए. Separate. So we just came to Dhanushkoti and we're gonna see the ending point of India, ना? South end point of India. ये क्या है? ये यार इंडियन ओशन की अरेबियन सी. Ocean, this is Arabian Sea. This is Indian Ocean.
This is Bay of Bengal. This is Arabian Sea. Front is Indian Ocean.
Oh, okay. So, काय नाही. चला. Guys, it's 6:52, 7 o'clock, and we are in Kutaloy. Tirchandur. I have no idea. Zero idea of what is that, but yeah. And probably will be here tomorrow morning. दर्शन होगा भगवान का. उसके बाद back to Bangalore. I need to go home there. Not missing home, not a homesick girl, but hate the way I'm traveling right now. So right now my hairs are gone, bro. Like seriously, salt water. This is what it is. I look so like jungly, but so yeah. So we just got update on the schedules, to be honest. So tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock we have to be there at the darshan because it's gonna take 3 hours. तो 2 बजे को उठना पड़ेगा. तो it's right now 7:41, 8 o'clock. We're gonna go eat our dinner, sleep, get up, take bath. Oh my god, gonna get screwed. मुझे अभी खा के फिनिश हुआ है. मुझे मंदिर देखना है because it's very near to my room and I'm eating vanilla ice cream. I just dipped some coffee in it, like. But mandir is really very near. Like no, I can see the. I get it now. Why it's so expensive. और मेरे फैमिली लोग आने में टाइम लगाते ही है. तो चलो देखते हैं. तो औरत फोटो नहीं खींच पा रही, आज फोटो खींच रही है. मानना पड़ेगा भाई, मानना पड़ेगा इस औरत को. सामने से देखने में बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है. आई हैव नो आइडिया दैट इज अ सीशोर, बट लुक एट दैट. outfit. So now I'll go and दर्शन लेने के बाद क्या है मुझे नहीं पता है, but okay. So मुझे स्टोरी तो नहीं पता है, but I know only this much is that वहाँ पर मंदिर है, उसके पीछे शीशोर है. So even if the tsunami comes, nothing is gonna harm this place. So yeah, I know that much of this part. So I've heard this story a lot, man. It's like अभी दर्शन हुआ है guys. It's around 6:12. So I'm waiting for the sunrise. I don't think अभी. So sunrise देखने के बाद जाते हैं I guess मधुरै. अब वापस मधुरै जाना है, उसके बाद home, back to home. So well good then. I mean yeah, but oh my god. ब्रो एक गाय बिस्किट Okay, so we just reached the room. I and Papa literally on the bed, lob. Exactly.
पाय वाकडं गेलं माझं.
Yeah, we all are like बहुत ही थक गए भाई. मम्मी को तो कुछ नहीं है भाई, गॉसिप मिल रहा है, गॉसिप मिल जाएगी, वहाँ पर ही बैठ जाएगी. But so we just left the room and now probably we're going to. I have no idea. I have no idea the place name. So by the way, I love the fit. Of course, this bag is the key. Hi. I have no idea where we are, but we are somewhere. And the brothers, my भाई ने तो कहीं रुकाया था टी पीने के लिए. And me as usual, dad को पूछते गई तो finally in all entire Tamil Nadu where I couldn't find, I found one. फाइनली मिला मुझे पीने के लिए यार. इतने दिनों से मैं पीना चाह रही हूँ, मैं पी हूँ. चाह नहीं है मेरी अब. Enjoying this probably with a sunset. I don't think so it's a proper sunset, but जो हो रहा है तो she's back. See you in the Bangalore. Bye. So yeah guys, I am so sorry for not uploading it on time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that,